For No More is an option that can help both customers and distributors offset their monthly digital Pro Pack cost. If 4 customers or distributors are enrolled through your personal referral link, which is needed for anybody to be able to come inside of our platform, it is the only way, and they maintain the required 100 RV during that commission month, the current plan provides $185 or in euros 169.99 off of the monthly automatic order. In practical terms, that can waive the customer subscription while the qualifying people remain active. This is useful for someone who is mainly interested in the products, services, the education, the scanners, but happens to know maybe 4 or a few people who would also like to use the platform as they are. It does not require someone to become a full business builder, a full distributor, in order to benefit from the referral option. For distributors, For No More can apply until the first compensation plan rank is reached. Once a person qualifies for that rank, the plan moves into the compensation structure and the regular monthly subscription applies. As with any plan feature, the qualifying conditions matter. The current rules, active status requirements, and commission month terms should always be checked in the official platform information program.